to my channel English with Sharanya. I am Sharanya Bhattacharyya, and today we are tackling one of the most commonly used tenses in English, the present tense. Whether you're describing your daily routine, sharing a fact, or expressing an ongoing action, the present tense is your go-to. So let's dive right in, shall we? The present tense is used to describe actions that are happening right now, habits, truths, or even future events in certain cases. The present tense has 4 forms, each with its unique purpose. They are simple present or present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous. Now don't worry if this sounds complex, I will explain with a few easy examples. The simple present is used for facts or truths. The sun rises in the east. Habits, I drink coffee every morning. Schedules, the train leaves at 8 p.m. Here's a tip, use the base form of the verb and don't forget to add s or es for he, she and it. Example, I walk to school. He walks to school. Next, the present continuous shows actions that are happening right now or in the near future. Structure, subject, then am, is or are, then verb plus ing. Examples, I am talking to you right now. She is reading a book. We are traveling tomorrow. The present perfect connects the past to the present. Use it for actions that started in the past but still matter now, or when the exact time isn't important. Structure, subject, then has or have, then past participle of the verb. Examples, I have finished my homework. She has lived here for 5 years. Lastly, the present perfect continuous describes actions that have started in the past but are still happening now. Structure, subject, then has been or have been, then verb plus ing. Examples, I have been studying for 2 hours. It has been raining all day. Here's a tip. These tenses emphasize duration, so use time expressions like for or since. Here's a quick recap. Simple present for habits, facts, and schedules. Present continuous for actions that are happening right now or in the near future. Present perfect for past actions affecting the present. Present perfect continuous for ongoing actions with a focus on duration. Quick tip, use time markers like now, every day, just, since to clarify meaning. Practice switching between forms to see how they change the meaning of a sentence. Now it's your turn. Let's practice. She, a novel every night. The answer is reads. I, to my friend right now. The answer, am talking. I am talking to my friend right now. They, their project already. Answer, they have finished their project already. He, on this painting since morning. Answer, he has been working on this painting since morning. Now let's see if you can identify the tense. The dog is barking loudly. The answer is present continuous. We have traveled to 5 countries this year. Pause the video, try this and share your answers in the comments. Excellent job! The present tense is one of the most versatile tools in English grammar, and with regular practice, you will master it in no time. In my upcoming videos, we'll dive deep into the other 2 tenses, the past tense and the future tense. So stay tuned if you're interested. And if by the time you're watching this, those videos are already published, then I'll put the links in the description box and in the I button. So make sure to check them out. So that's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like, share your thoughts down in the comment section. And if you want to learn English and speak English fluently, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you in my next video.